mali at ayaw na nga. Oo, okay lang ang acting. So ngayon ay nasa videoing me. Here ang Mommy and Daddy. Mag-iinom tayo na. Ano tawag? It's a chocolate. Chocolate shake. Oh! No, it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Milo to guys. Yes, it's Milo, but we call that chocolate. Yeah, wow, ang English. Alam mo na yung trend? Yung trend na yung ano, yung alam mo ba yun yung my milkshake man boys and tela is better when you're sure yun titignan ka natin yaw yung titignan ko nilagyan ko ang sagwa na nalasang kakape ang galing kakape iya yan may nilalando kaming movie yun no pang paano to guys pang palakas ng loob ayan mami anong nilaloto niyo nagbablog ako mi unsay nung ginaloto nag-vlog ko that is my mother and my father bye guys.